Hey all you beautiful people, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. Please consider subscribing. I do unboxings and hauls and whatnot, you know, random beauty things, a few blogs here and there. So if you are into that, go ahead and subscribe. Really much appreciate that. So as you can tell by the title, this is an Allure unboxing slash try on. So if you guys are into that, let's get into it. So, oh my gosh, my eyebrows. Nobody ever knows what the eyebrows are doing, am I right? Here's my Allure box. This is what it looks like right here. That is what it looks like on the bottom. It's just got your tracking information in there. So, let's get into it, shall we? So the first thing right here we have is our little book, and it tells you what we are going to get and how much the full-size products are and everything like that. Then we have our beautiful milky white bag. This is super duper cute, and it keeps on theme with the bags that we've been getting so far throughout the year. That is what we're looking like in there. First big thing I see right here is from Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution. It is a green apple brightening gel cleanser. You get 2 fluid ounces. So I've really been interested in trying this brand right here. It is a bit pricey, I think. So I haven't made the dive yet to try it, to go ahead and just try it without knowing anything or trying anything from the brand. There we go. I want to see if it really smells like green apple. That would be nice. Doesn't smell like green apple. It smells like lemon to me. Okay, so I got my hair up. I washed my hands. And it says, this brightening cleanser will reveal a more refined looking complexion, antioxidants, rich and purifying organic botanicals, juices, sugar cane, hydroxy acids, and plant-based cleanser, exfoliate and deep cleanse. Excellent for sun damage and anti-aging and aging skin for optimum brightening results.
Hi guys!
Okay, hubby interruption. It says cleanse morning and evening by massaging onto face, neck, and décolleté. Out already. Look at that. It just comes out. I'm not even. It does not smell at all like green apple, like I was really hoping that it would. It smells like Pine Sol. Like if you guys ever smelled original Pine Sol. Yeah, I'm kind of turned off with that smell. It's kind of weird, but it was very nice, smooth. It didn't feel like it was stripping my skin or anything like that. It was really, really nice massaging into my skin. It felt very much like a jelly, turning into a light creamy foam. It was really nice, but it smells. Let's open up the next thing that's in here, and it says the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick Naturel Color. It is by Au Naturel. There it is right there. There it goes. You get 9 milliliters. I'm pretty sure this is a full size. It is a cream stick multi-stick. Cream multi-stick. It says, Clean Beauty. The clean beauty revolution is our movement striving to eliminate toxic ingredients from our cosmetic industry. Our products are evidence that clean beauty is both feasible and fabulous. I got the color Creme Multi-Stick in Grapefruit right there. Looks really, really pretty. There it goes right there. It's pretty big. It's like a steel, like a thin steel. And then there it is. Let's see how much we get. It's a very beautiful color. It kind of reminds me of the stick form of NARS Orgasm. Kind of reminds me of that one. It's really pretty. It's like a goldeny orange reflex with pink. Super pretty. I'll go ahead and give that a little switchity swatch because I would be interested in using this very much so. Happy about that one. The next one. Hopefully the product isn't inside, but this is what the box looks like. Let's see here. Look at the ingredients really quick. Make sure there's no alcohol in here. Okay. It says Allure. Welcome to Skin Wellness. Seriously soothing blue tanzanite oil. Blue tanzanite and rose, normal to sensitive skin, 100% vegan, 0% pretentious. Paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, silicone-free, cruelty-free, USDA certified. That is what it looks like. There's nothing else in the box. This is really cool. It kind of reminds me of those big lip glosses we used to get when we were little that had the roll on the top. This has the roll on the top. I thought it said 1 to 2 drops. 1 to 2 pumps. Okay. 1, 2. I did a pump. 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it smells so good. It doesn't smell like regular tansy oil. I've smelled the CEO Sundarelli one, and it smells pretty bad, but anyways, it's just a clear roller ball. There's nothing, absolutely no name on it or anything. I couldn't imagine this cost too much. I know you can buy like a dozen of these for $5 on Amazon, but I guess what counts is what's on the inside for sure. So the next one is Mamandi Rose Water Toner. We've been getting a lot of Mamandi stuff and I'm kind of annoyed. I wish they would have just stuck this in last month's bag because the whole thing was like rose or something. Or maybe I didn't get it from them, I got it from somebody else. Anyways, I don't like rose. It says that this is a soothing and moisturizing skin, all types. You get 25 mils, almost an ounce. And it's rose, a rose water toner. Oh God, it just smells like potpourri to me. I don't like this at all. I'll probably keep this and pass it on to somebody else. Okay, the next one is Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I've given away all my little ones, so I didn't have any more, and I thought I had a bigger jar, but I use it all, so I'm super glad that I got this. I will put this one on really quickly on my face. I absolutely love this moisturizer. Not as much as my Tatcha one, but this one's probably second best. I just really, really like this moisturizer. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't make me break out or give me little white bumps or anything like that. It soothes my skin. It goes into my skin really nicely, and it is the best thing to use if you have dry skin. This is something that I would like to use in the summertime before I put my makeup on. There you go. Had to use force with that one. So that is what the color looks like. Not super watery or anything like that. It's got a nice big thick brush. Cool, cool. One more thing left in here, and it is a Burt's Bees lipstick. I have been curious to try these Burt's Bees ones. I only ever used their lip balm, the colored lip balm, which I absolutely love, and I used the whole damn tube within a matter of like a month. And I can never find that same tube again, so that's unfortunate. But you get 0.12 ounces, 3.4 grams. It lasts 12 months opening time, and then it is cruelty-free as well. Give it a little switchy swatch. There we go. Put it over here. Ooh, that color is gorgeous. Oh. That's a pretty, like, really nice pinkish nude. I like that. It's cute. It doesn't feel like a lipstick. I'm not really into lipsticks. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tansy oil and I'm gonna put it on my face and massage it away. This will help with the moisture thing too. Overall, for $10, I paid $10 for the subscription. I signed up through a different email because Amazon was having a deal with this. And if you signed up, it was $10. So I went ahead and signed up. I thought all together, this was a really good bag. I love that multi-stick. The Burt's Bees is great. The Blue Tansy is great. The Juice Beauty one, we'll see about that. And I absolutely love this guy right here. So really good overall, good bag. And then you got this nice cute little pouch that I'll probably be using for my purse, but it's not soft at all. First, I'm going to try it out on my hand and see what the application is going to look like if I just pat it. So that'll look nice if I just go in with patting it. Let's do that. It's kind of like, it's hard. It's kind of hard to go down. Okay. I'm going to try with the other side, just like kind of dabbing it on and see what that'll give me. I think this application is the best. To just do this. I'm not sure how that's gonna lay on makeup. I don't think it'll be the greatest. It looks really crazy over here too because I have a lot of little red spots already. So just go and kind of clean that up a little bit. But I just want it to have like a little flush look. There we go. That give me just like a little flush look. That's cute. I like it. I dig it. Let me do it. Put it on my lips. See, I feel like I need to go in with a moisturizer. Kind of moisturize them really quick. With the finger. A very soft pink on my lips, and you can kind of see a glimpse of a little bit of a shimmer just by the feel of this. And when you guys get this, you'll understand what I'm saying, or if you do have it already, you'll understand what I'm saying by like the kind of dryness. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with using the products from the Allure bag, and I will quickly go through what I think of each and every single one of them. And then the Burt's Bees, I did try this while I was filming. You guys saw me putting it on. I didn't really like it. The color looked really, really nice when I swatched it. I think it was right there. But the color looked super beautiful when I swatched it. But when I put it on my lips, it just looked like a pale pink for some reason. I don't know. I didn't really like it. It went into my creases, all my little dry spots. It just clinged to them, and it did not last long at all. Like maybe 20 minutes, if I'm being honest. So I think that is everything we got in the bag. We didn't get a brush this time, which I'm kind of bummed out about. I'm kind of into getting the brushes now. Whether I keep them or give them away, you know, whatever. I'm interested in getting different brushes. So that is everything we got in the pouch this month. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to quickly go over what the full-size products were and how much they were. So this is the skin part. So this is the Mamandi one. That one will run you $23 for a full size. And then there's like coupon codes and stuff like that. There is the Makeup on Natural Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick and Grapefruit. That one will run you $35. And I believe that's the full size if I'm not mistaken. The Aqua Belief Truth Bomb is going to be $38 for the full size, and I think you get a pretty good amount for a full size for 38 bucks. The next one is the Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. See, mine didn't come like this. It just comes in a roller ball, and it says 2 pumps. There's nothing on it. I kind of feel like they ran out of these, so they just kind of packed it in this cheap packaging and threw it in a box, like an extra box or whatever. Let me know if you guys, when you guys open yours, if yours came like this with the roller ball on it, because it does say 1 to 2 pumps on your neck. And then when I look at it right here, it's 1 to 2 pumps. I don't know. Maybe this is the full size. Even that, like, they should know that they put a roller ball in here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, a few bucks. The next one was London Town Lacquer in Brit of Love. So there it is. The next one is Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser Lipstick, or Burt's Bees Lipstick in Blush Basin. What color did I get? I got Blush Basin. So too bad I did not get the the glossy lipstick. That would have been nice. But those will run you $9. It says the packaging is made of 60% recycle. That's cool. See? And then I guess that's it. But you know, I couldn't buy this for 15 bucks. So I'm really enjoying that right now. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I totally recommend this Allure box. I think it is 100% worth it for 15 bucks. Your first box, I think you can get a deal as low as $7.50 for your first box, which I think is amazing. They really got us in the beginning of the year. If you did not get that January box, I am so sorry because it was so effing good. And that is why I keep saying subscribe to them. Not only that, I don't think it's... For $5 more than Ipsy, you get so much more stuff. Like, it is such a good value. So I 100% recommend this. If you haven't jumped on this Allure train yet, come on, let's do it. My links will be down below. It's just a referral link if you guys, I think it saves you money and then you get a free sample or something like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much in advance if you do use that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy my content. I do a lot of unboxings and hauls and a little bit of makeup videos and travel vlogs. If you are into any or all of that, please subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Thank you guys so much. Bye.